So today we are going to see about the introduction part of service marketing. Usually what we talk what we know about service marketing is simply the process of promoting and selling a service or an intangible good to a specific group of people. It is a new way of marketing that has become very popular and helps companies all over the world to promote their services. Right, in the slide itself, it is very clear that it is a form of marketing businesses that provide a service to their customers used to increase brand awareness and sales. It looks at how a certain kind of service is advised in the market. Though service marketing is a unique idea, it needs a way to represent goods that can't be seen. Service belongs to the goods that cannot be seen, only felt. So service marketing is different from product marketing actually. So it focuses on advertising intangible transactions that provides values to customers. Instead, service marketing involves promoting a service that can't be seen but is still sold to customers. Services are just things that are given to customers as a commodity. Customers can choose from a wide range of services. Let me quote some examples of service marketing. For example, health care industry, like doctors, nurses, surgeons and other people who work in hospitals are great examples. They sell their health services by seeing and taking care of their patients. Then one more example which we can quote is your hospitality industry. Hospitality industry is made up of places like hotels and restaurants that serve food, rent rooms, give massages and do other things for their customers. And one more example I would like to quote is the professional services like accountants, lawyers, teachers, writers, carpenters, chefs, electricians and plumbers who are service-based jobs. Depending on the job, they may offer more than one service to their clients. Now, this is the introduction part of the service marketing. Next, we'll move on to the definition because we need to know what authors have defined service marketing all about. So, according to the American Marketing Association, defines services marketing as an organizational function and a set of processes for identifying or creating, communicating and delivering value to customers and for managing customer relationship in a way that benefits the organization and stakeholders. And of course, to add on with this, I would like to have few things like why this service marketing is important. Then a few characteristics we'll be seeing further. So we'll be looking into the characteristics of the services. Right? So we have n number of characteristics related to service marketing, in which few have been listed for your reference. Intangibility. Services are intangible and do not have a physical existence. We know that we cannot see the services which we are experiencing or which we are offering. So, unlike product, service cannot be touched or sensed, tested or felt before they are availed. A service is an abstract phenomenon. So this is most defining feature of a service and that which primarily differentiates it from a product. Next characteristic is its heterogeneity or variability. Given the very nature of service, each service offering is unique in nature and cannot be exactly repeated even by the same service provider. The features of services by a provider cannot be uniform or standardized. A doctor can charge much higher fee to a rich client and take much low from a poor client. And all the time, a service provider cannot deliver the same quality to all of its customers. The next characteristic is your perishability. Perishability. Services cannot be stored actually. It is highly perishable and time element has great significance in service marketing. Once rendered to a customer, the service is completely consumed and cannot be delivered to another customer. And one more characteristic is its inseparability of production and consumption. It refers to the fact that services are generated and consumed within the same time frame. It is inseparable. Personal service cannot be separated from the individual, and some personalized services are created and consumed simultaneously. For example, a haircut is delivered to and consumed by a customer simultaneously, unlike a burger being ordered and taken away for consumption. So that's all for today.